Hello guys, Wildbeast here. Today we'll be doing a PC build video. It is a new type of video guys. So today we'll be doing a PC build video and the budget for today is 35,000 rupees, and I'm pretty sure like it is the best PC build ever, and I have not seen this PC build in any videos, okay, but I have referred to some websites, so let's leave that. Okay, let's start the video guys. Okay guys, let's start with the processor. It is i3 guys, i3 ninth generation. If you ask me why have you gone to Intel not near AMD, like AMD in this price you just have a APU, but we are going to use a dedicated GPU in this video, so I've gone to i3. If you guys are not comfortable with this, you can change to AMD Alton or whatever you guys want. Right now let's go to the motherboard. It is nothing but Asus Prime H310. So this is an entry level motherboard guys. It has 2 RAM slots and it is just 5,000 rupees. So it is in our budget, so we can buy this. Now let's go to the RAM. So the RAM is Corsair Vengeance. It is the all-time favorite of everyone. So the price of this is 3,000 rupees. So you can buy it in offline or online, and I recommend 2 sticks because the performance would be faster and greater. The GPU I have selected is Nvidia's G4 GTX 1660 6GB. It is a beast guys. It is just 17,000 rupees. You can buy it for 35,000 rupees. For 35,000 rupees you are getting a 1660. You can just easily play AAA titles. As you have gone to a very expensive and nice GPU, the budget is now less. So we're just going to be adding SSD 250GB crucial. Okay, I think it is just 2,500 or something like that. I definitely recommend you to buy more HHD or something like that. For 1 TB HHD or 500GB SSD would be fine. Next we are going to the PCU. So the PCU is Cooler Masters 250 volts bronze PCU. This is just 2,800 guys. So this also falls in our budget, so let's get it. Last but not the least, we need a case guys. So it is going to be Antex NX 200. So it is a very nice case. It has an RGB strip in the front, so you can buy this too. It is just 2,600. So at last the total price is 36,332 rupees. So this is just 1,000 rupees more than 35,000. And I'm damn sure this is the best PC under 35,000. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.